How to get instant free followers on Instagram. If you have a new Instagram page and you're looking for a way to get people to follow you, then I'm going to show you an easy trick to gain some followers. Okay, straight into it. Firstly, open up the Instagram app. Next, what you want to do is navigate to the search page, and in the search bar, do a search for Boss List and go to this profile. Next, you'll see the Boss List is following 158 different accounts. Click on that. Then if you scroll down through the accounts that Boss List is following, you'll see some of the biggest Instagrammers on the planet. So you'll see people like Floyd Mayweather, Conor McGregor's in here, BMW, 50 Cent, Marvel Studios, etc. These are all huge accounts. And what happens is, if you follow these accounts, the other people who are already following these accounts will see that you've followed them, and then they'll start to follow you also. So what you do is just go through this list, start anywhere, and you follow approximately 30 to 40 of these accounts. If you do any more of that at the same time, then Instagram may ban you as being a bit of a spammer. So I'm going to start here. Just following all of the accounts. Okay, so that's 30. Follow a few more. 35 I've followed there. So what you do now is wait. Okay, so I've just left this for a few minutes. As you can see, I've got a notification down there in the bottom left hand corner. So let's go see what that is. And you see at the top right there, I've got a notification saying that 4 people have requested to follow me. And you'll see that these are all recent followers, so just within the last minute or so, I've had 5 different requests from people come in. Now, I recommend you leave this for at least an hour, and then come back and see how many followers you've got. Once you've done that, you go back to the Boss List profile, and then you start to just unfollow these big profiles. So remember, we only did 35, so you unfollow all of them, and then you'll just work your way down the list and subscribe and follow to the next 35 on the list, and you just repeat that process, and people will start to follow you. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing this if you want to build a loyal following. However, if you have a new profile and you just want to gain some few first followers, then this is definitely a method that I'd be considering. It's easy and it doesn't take that much time or effort. And that's all it takes to increase your followers on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. And please leave me a comment if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.